In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Wix website's menu settings, specifically adjusting between a full menu view and hiding the hamburger icon. Let's dive right in so you can create a navigational experience that best suits your audience. First, we're going to head to the Wix editor. Once you've logged into your Wix account and selected the site you'd like to edit, look for the site option located on the left sidebar of your screen. Click on it to enter the editing mode, which is where all the magic happens. Now let's focus on the menu settings. Typically, the menu is the first item visitors use when navigating your site, making its functionality crucial. In this editing mode, look for your website's main menu. It's usually found on the top part of your homepage. Click on the menu to reveal a settings bar above it. On this settings bar, you'll see the option labeled Manage Menu. By clicking on this, you'll unlock various ways to modify and optimize your site's navigation. If your goal is to select a full menu, these settings will help expand your menu across the page, providing a comprehensive view of all the navigation options available to your visitors. This layout is especially effective for sites with fewer pages where each menu item plays a key role in directing your audience. To opt for this, you'll want to make sure that the full menu is selected. This is ideal if you desire a straightforward presentation that guides visitors without any major distractions, keeping every option visible and accessible. On the other hand, there may be instances where the simplicity of a hamburger icon fits the bill, particularly for mobile-friendly designs or when you have numerous menu items. To explore this, head back to the menu settings bar and click on Layout. Here, you'll find the option to either reveal or hide the hamburger icon. Selecting the option to hide it keeps your menu visible as a full menu, whereas keeping the hamburger icon visible might be more appropriate for designs that emphasize visual minimalism or for websites that thrive on modern aesthetic appeal. Remember, when making these changes, to constantly preview them in the editor's preview mode. This is crucial to ensuring your aesthetic intentions match how visitors will experience your website. You can switch between different device views, like desktop and mobile, to see how your menu adaptation reflects on various screens. As you wrap up with your design adjustments, don't forget the importance of maintaining consistency throughout your website. Consistency helps in creating a seamless user experience, guiding your visitors smoothly from one page to the next. With these steps, not only are you enhancing the functionality of your site, but you are also ensuring each visitor leaves with a positive experience. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!